Components of PowerPoint window. Title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. It shows the name of the current presentation or the name by which the presentation is saved. Ribbon. The ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar appears in the top left corner of the PowerPoint 2016 window. This has icons for features that are used frequently. File tab. This displays a backstage view. This has commands such as print, save, open, etc. Slide. A slide is a page in a presentation. Placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted box on a slide that may contain text, a picture, a video, etc. Slides or outline pane. The slides or outline pane is located on the left side of the window. The slides pane shows the thumbnail of each of the slides in the presentation. The outline pane shows a text outline of all the information on the slides. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays information about the number of the current slide, the total number of slides, and the design theme used.